A couple people have noticed this and they like make fun of me eating chips this way so hard. They're like, you literally look at every single bite. Like I do the same thing with sandwiches too. I don't notice that I'm doing it. I just do it. But with a bag of chips, I don't know if I'm going to eat the whole bag of chips. I just don't know. When I start, like if I'm hungry, I'll eat it. Like, but I don't know if I'm going to eat the whole bag of chips. So I don't know how much I'm going to eat of it. And like, especially because like at that time, you know, if you have like barbecue chips and then you have sour cream and onion, and then you have these, like you can't eat 10 bags of chips. Like everyone knows you can't. And then like we had a whole smorgasbord of like snack stuff. So I like to have like a little taste of everything. But if it's my bag of chips and I'm going to decide like which I'm going to have, I want to have the best chip and I want to have the best bite. So like, I think I've never seen chips being manufactured before. But if you really look at the chips hard, one side has like, I think what they do is they manufacture the chip and must go like on a little conveyor belt and they go across and there must be something that like salts them or flavors them from above. So they're going on the conveyor belt. And so usually if you actually look at chips, there's usually one side that has all the flavor particles on it and then the other side is plain. Same thing with Pringles. It's like the opposite side it's supposed to be. So if anyone from Pringles is watching this, you have to turn on the other side. So it should be the tongue side. Like Pringles is shaped like your tongue, but the flavor's on the wrong side of it. Anyway, but in chips, there is like flavor on one side, and then some of them like get more flavor on them than others. So I literally like look in my chip bag for the ones that have like a lot of flavoring on them, and then I'll pick that one and I'll eat the side of the chip that has the flavor. Okay, I noticed this on Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, Brandy, she's like this. She literally eats like a little piece, like she'll eat like one French fry in like 10 bites. Like I'm not like that. that in tabs, but I definitely do eat the side of the chip.
You're definitely savoring each bite. That is for sure.
Yeah, I have the side of the chip that has the flavor on it for sure.